This News in a Minute segment is brought to you by Abernathy's Harley-Davidson in Union City, Tennessee.
I'm Holly Nutting with News 26, and this is your News in a Minute. The demolition of the First Citizens National Bank in downtown Union City is underway. Bank President Joe Ward said he knows it is necessary after the building was damaged in April 2013 when a portion of the roof fell in due to an overnight rainfall. The project leader, Bob Howell of Howell Farms Demolition out of Jackson, can't pinpoint a date for the lot to be cleared since there are at least 400 truckloads of brick that will need to be removed from the premises. The drive-in location across the street will remain open. First Street will be closed for around 3 days, so be sure to keep an eye out for detours. The bank has been temporarily relocated to a modular facility at 215 West Lee Street behind the post office. First Citizens National Bank is planning to rebuild in the same location. I'm Holly Nutting with News 26, and that was your News in a Minute.
This News in a Minute segment has been brought to you by Abernathy's Harley-Davidson, reminding you that this spring cycling season, we're out there, so be aware.